How do you fight spam?
Man, I use GPT-4 now. It's amazing. So, so I have like
Nice.
user input. I have reviews. People can review cities, and I don't need to actually sign up. It's anonymous reviews, and they write like whole books about like cities and what's good and bad. So I run it through GPT-4 now, and I ask like, is this a good review? Like, is it offensive? Is it racist or some stuff? And then it sends me a message on Telegram when it rejects reviews, and I check it, and it's so on point. It's
Automated.
Yes, and it's so accurate. It understands double meanings. I have GPT-4 running on the chat community. It's a chat community of 10,000 people, and they're chatting and they start fighting with each other. And I used to have human moderators, was very good, but they would start fighting the human moderator, like this guy is biased or something.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have GPT-4, and it's really, 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 really good. It understands humor. It understands like you could say something bad, but it's kind of like a joke, and it's kind of not like offensive so much, so it shouldn't be deleted, right? It understands that, So
I would love to have a GPT-4 based filter of different kinds for like X.
Yeah, I thought this week, like I tweeted like a fact check, like you can click fact check, and then GPT-4. Look, GPT-4 is not always right about stuff, right? But it can give you a general fact check on a tweet. Like usually what I do now when I write something like difficult about economics or something or AI, I put in GPT-4, I say, can you fact check it? Because I might have said something stupid. And the stupid stuff always gets taken out by the replies. Like, oh, you said this wrong. And then the whole tweet kind of doesn't make sense anymore. So I asked GPT-4 to fact check a lot of stuff.
So fact check is a tough one.
Yeah.
But it would be interesting to sort of rate a thing based on how well thought out it is and how well argued it is.
Yeah.
That seems more doable. That seems like more doable. Like it seems like a GPT thing because that's less about the truth and it's more about the rigor of the thing.
Exactly. And you can ask that. You can ask in the prompt, like, I don't know, like for example, do you think create like a ranking score of X Twitter replies, where should this post be? If we rank on like, I don't know, integrity, reality, like fundamental deepness or something, interestness, and it would give you that with a pretty good score probably. I mean, Elon can do this with Grok, right? You can start using that to check replies, because the reply section is like chaos.
Yeah, and actually the ranking of the replies doesn't
make any sense.
Doesn't make sense.
No,
and I would like to sort in different kinds of ways.
Yeah, and you get too many replies now. If you have a lot of followers, I get too many replies. I don't see everything, and I a lot of stuff I just miss, and I want to see the good stuff.
And also the notifications or whatever is just complete chaos.
Yeah,
it'd be nice to be able to filter that in interesting ways, sort it in interesting ways. Because like I feel like I miss a lot, and what's surfaced for me is just like a random comment by a person with no followers. That's positive or negative. It's like, okay,
if it's a very good comment, it should happen, but it should probably look a little bit more at like, do these people have followers? Because they're probably more engaged in the platform, right?
Oh no, I don't even care about how many followers. If you're ranking by the quality of the comment, great.
Yeah.
But not just like randomly, like chronological, just a sea of comments.
Yeah. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. X could be very improved with that, I think.